We don't necessarily have to take the promoter's chair. We'll work with them as partners with significant minority. These days, one of our areas of active interest and focus is the healthcare segment. When we had identified healthcare as an area or a sector that the group should play in, we quickly realized that incubating something was going to be a difficult proposition here. One requires years of clinical experience and credibility, and in this case, unlike solar, just hiring a doctor doesn't mean that you can build out a large healthcare platform. So our strategy here has been that let's go and find great promoters and great companies within healthcare in the sectors that we believe have the scalability option, not just in India, global, and then back them up. And here our business model is that we don't necessarily have to take the promoter's chair. We'll work with them as partners with significant minority, but more importantly, we'll even lend the Mahindra brand name to the portfolio to help them succeed. And so far we've made 2 investments. One is an early home healthcare company, first of its kind in India, and second is India's second largest eye care company on the ophthalmology side. So 2 investments, and we'll be looking for more. And here I'd like to add that what we are hoping to do is then bring in a health tech based portfolio, which will then work with these various platform companies, and then you'll finally have something like a Mahindra Healthcare. So that's the ambition on the healthcare side.